FRP removal service for Samsung Android phones at Mobile Links E13. FRP, Factory Reset Protection, or Google Account Lock is a security feature which prevents from unauthorized usage of the phone if the phone is lost or stolen or Google account is forgotten. We offer FRP removal service for Samsung Galaxy smartphones and all other Android phones like Huawei, LG, Alcatel, HTC and others at our shop, Mobile Links, East London at a very reasonable price. Walk into our store at Plaistow in Canning Town and get your phone's FRP unlocked in a short time. If you are looking for FRP removal service, then please do visit our store Mobile Links at E13 8HJ, East London. Note, we only offer this service to phone account holders only. Please do not bring any phones that are reported as lost or stolen for this service. Our address, Mobile Links, at 396 Barking Road E13 8HJ, East London, UK. For any information on FRP, please call us at 02036898083. Visit our site, www.mobilelinks.co.uk.